Welcome to Automotive Control in Bristol. We have a Toyota HiAce. This one's actually the Touring HiAce, and it's a full camper conversion. We have been removing the non-working Toyota navigation system, and which was accompanied with a water damaged parking camera, which we've also replaced with Kenwood DNX5190dabs, which sits nice and flush into the dashboard. This particular Kenwood radio offers digital radio, Bluetooth, wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay. Also has the Garmin maps built in for navigation. Just give you a quick demonstration. So this is Android Auto at the moment, showing you a couple of different menus with the split screen. At any stage we can go back to the built-in Garmin navigation. If we want to, we can also view the reversing camera that we've added whilst you're driving, or you could split screen it to show you the track of the music that's playing or the digital radio information, or back to Garmin maps full screen. This particular dashboard and job is very similar to the Toyota Regis, gives the same look and feel, which we could also install. With this being a camper conversion, this overall job takes sort of 4 to 5 hours to get through the camper conversion with the parking camera. If it's just a front end camera, front end radio replacement, roughly a couple of hours to do this type of job. That's all been done at our workshop in Bristol. If you've got any queries or questions relating to this type of installation, then please do get in touch with us. Thank you very much for watching.